Hello everyone, now we will fix an intravenous catheter in a fold. First I am going to clip the hairs over the area. This is the cordless trimmer commonly used in pet practice. For catheter fixation, middle third of the neck will be ideal. After clipping, I am scrubbing the area with 7.5% powdered scrub solution. There are short hairs in that area, so better I shave that part, because in the end we will be applying adhesive plaster, so the plaster will stick better if it is devoid of hairs. We should take extra care when shaving the young ones because they keep on moving. In adult it is quite easy to do this job. For single use of intravenous catheter, just application of surgical spirit is enough. But we are going to fix a catheter here, so we need to take all aseptic precautions. After that, the area is cleaned with surgical spirit. Now we are going to fix catheter. This is 16 gauge 2-inch catheter. This catheter wing has loopholes for suture placement. Extend the neck and block the vein with thumb finger. Just look at the raised vein. Just plan where the catheter head has to come. Accordingly, you insert the catheter. See, the young foal is quite adamant to be calm. Once you enter into the vein, you can see the blood in the catheter. Then slowly withdraw the needle out. Then advance the catheter into the vein. So once you withdraw the needle little back, the plastic hub of the catheter will not go out of the vein. See, the catheter is placed correctly. Now we are going to fix this catheter with suture material. The needle should go just under the skin. Don't go deeply or don't puncture the vein. The same procedure is followed in the other side also. Then to protect the catheter, we can stick plaster around the catheter. This is Dynaplast. With the gloved hand, it is very difficult to place. Let me remove the gloves. Finally, we have placed the intravenous catheter in a fold. In case of sick foals, you may need to give fluids once in 3 to 4 hours and frequently you may need to inject drugs. So this will be very helpful. We can change the catheter once in 3 to 4 days to the other side. I have used it for more than 5 days without any complication. If you find this video is useful, please share it to your friends. Please subscribe if you don't want to miss out the upcoming videos. Thank you.